ఎందుకంటే 151 మంది ఎమ్మెల్యేలు మీకు వచ్చినప్పుడు చాలా గొప్ప మెజారిటీ వచ్చింది. మీరు వైసీపీ ప్రభుత్వానికి కాలం గొప్పతనమో ఎలాంటి గొప్పతనమో మనకు తెలియదు, కానీ ఈవీఎం గొప్పతనం నాకు తెలియదు. అలాగా ఏ గొప్పతనం అన్నప్పటికీ మీకు 151 మంది ఎమ్మెల్యేలు ఇచ్చారు.
I feel, that's what I'm saying. That's the example I had given in the speech. For example, EVM. So entire electoral process happens through EVM, electronic voting machines. For example, from my side, I can say in 2019, the YCP government has won the elections with the same EVMs. And with the same EVMs, Congress has lost. But with the same EVM, BJP had lost its strength in last elections, and with the same EVMs, YCP government had lost the elections. We came. The moment we won, and suddenly they feel that it is being tampered. The issue is not about which side, as long as it is convenient to you.